Hey. No, here's a better one. But this cop comes up and you put this on, and he says, "Hey, mister, you were speeding." But you turn around and you're like, "Hee hee. Oh no, I wasn't speeding. I was just trying to get somewhere really fast." And then the cop will be like, "Yeah, I thought you were dead." Nah. Okay, people. I've got a really special guest here today. He's coming all the way from, it doesn't matter. Yeah, so today on Boozhoo, Nanaboozhoo, we got a special guest. I've never had a guest before. Oh, really? Yeah, you're the first one. Oh, well, that's cool. Yeah, okay. So, our special guest today is none other than Michael Lyons. Michael Lyons, the Ojibwe cartoonist. Hi. Yeah, how you doing? I'm pretty good. Okay. So today we're going to do a little interview. You comfortable there? Yeah, I'm good. Okay. So, what do I want to ask you? When did you start cartooning? Let's see, I guess I started when I was a little kid. Yeah, that's really interesting. Okay, well, this is a show about Ojibwe language. Do you want to teach the kids something about Ojibwe? How about, let's see, we could say miigwech. Oh, they already know that. Okay, how about, oh, I know. I brought some tobacco and, got tobacco there? Yeah. And this is how you would say, "Please accept my tobacco." Odapanan niwi asemaa. Odapanan niwi asemaa. So I'm going to take some tobacco here, and I'm going to put it in. I'm going to say to you, "Odapanan niwi asemaa." Odapanan niwi asemaa. Okay. Miigwech. Okay, well, there you have it, kids. Odapanan niwi asemaa. Please accept my tobacco. One more time. Odapanan niwi asemaa. Please accept my tobacco. Okay, that was really good. All right, well, thanks. Thank you for being on the show anytime. Okay, well, that's our show for today. You've been watching Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo, the show about Ojibwe language and culture. I want to thank my guest, Michael Lyons. Thank you. You have a good trip home, okay? Yeah, okay. All right, that's our show for today. Gigawabamin, Minawa. Oh, what?